Hi everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. There's a couple of questions that you had about the centerpiece in the dining room, not the lemons, but the floral arrangement. Well, I am going to go back and put together a quick video around that. We're just going to disassemble it and put it back together. And at the same time, I'll just go ahead and share the floral arrangements for the living room, as well as the piece that is on the curio in the foyer. So with that being said, let's go ahead and go downstairs and get to work. This is the floral arrangement that's sitting on the small curio in the foyer. Now, when I decided to use this antique letter holder, I was just too tired of just going up and down the stairs and getting into the attic. So this letter holder was available and it worked out just fine. I got 3 yellow roses, faux roses, and then I twirled the stems around on 2 of them. I cut off a little bit just to make sure that it wasn't too bulky, and then I took painter's tape and just I used a painter's tape to secure the 2 roses together by the stem, and then the yellow rose that's in the very center, it was just simply plucked right off of the stem, by the way, and I just placed it in the very center. I then took the remaining leaves and just stuck them randomly throughout the letter holder, and that's it. And yes, if I didn't add the green leaves, I could still use that slot for my greeting cards, which I definitely need to mail. This is another easy arrangement. It's the one in the dining room. Let's disassemble it and put it back together. And by the way, I used a pair of wire cutters to cut away 6 inches of each stem.
The florals on the mantle were originally going to be two matching orchids. I already had one, so I went to Home Goods to see what they had. They had one for $19.99, a large one, just perfect. However, that shade of white did not match my shade of white, so I ended up using the existing tulips in floral arrangements in the attic, and this worked out just fine. So we're basically recycling things to make these two arrangements on the mantle. This was one of the 3 moss topiaries that I made a couple of years ago. So I'm now recycling those moss pieces that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. If you would like to see the videos of the DIYs that I am recycling, you can look in the description box below for the links there, or click the letter I in the top right hand corner of this video.
Well, that's it for me, guys. If you're not a subscriber, I hope you will consider doing so today. And remember to press the bell. That bell means you want to know how often I have uploaded a video. And as always, stay in prayer. I gotta add this one. Stay safe and stay creative.